This is the 2026 Jayco that is family friendly and has a bunk room with 3 beds. We're gonna start off with the bedroom in the front, and this is gonna be the front of the travel trailer. So we have a queen size bed here, storage on either side, open shelving on top with lights underneath. You can put your books, but your hangables are gonna be going on this rod here. And it's a pretty large closet. So, I mean, as far as like the depth of it, but of course you're gonna have to be a little bit minimalistic here. Mirrors on these cabinets and these nightstands. Well, I guess these are like overly large.
Way above average size.
Outlets here on either side so you can plug up your phone or any other appliances. Alarm clocks you have, right?
Yeah, I still go old school. Mine rings.
There you go.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
And then same thing on that side, so that way you have a his and her closet,
Yeah,
one might say. Underneath this bed is some storage.
Look at that. You guys get a free box.
Perfect. Heck yeah.
I do love boxes. They're my favorite things.
This way you can put your winter clothes maybe away and maybe some shoes.
Now you do have your TV.
Yes, you can put a TV up there, all your
connection
connections.
right here, guys. And your own AC. That is the coolest thing I've seen. It's nice because
it's gonna be nice and cold in here for you.
yeah, because what if the kids want a different temperature or they're always fighting and it's hot in that room?
Window over here with the valance, and it is wired for solar, which is pretty cool. That way you could actually take this off grid if you want to and put solar on top, live off grid for a little bit.
They have a real door here. None of those sliding doors. Look at this.
Yeah, notice the matte black hardware, or I mean the handle, and a black door. Same thing, we're going into this little mini hallway, I call it. Window over here, shades that go down for privacy. And then we are here for, the bathroom. Oh, this is a pretty large bathroom.
That is very bright.
It's bright. And I love when bathrooms are like this because then you could see everything.
You do have a skylight and a fan. That's like double the light, guys.
Shower that opens up these little sliding doors here. Pretty nifty.
I like it. They're doing this in a couple other places. Changes things up. I don't like squares. I like half circles.
Yeah. And your vanity here. Sink, medicine cabinet. Not a crazy looking mirror, right? It's I would like to see it a little bit lower for the kids. But it's a nice size medicine cabinet so you can fit all your skincare. Makeup can go on here. Right, ladies?
Me too.
True, men can do skincare too. Towel hanger and your outlet down below. Love that they have that shelving there for separation. That can just be used for like maybe a trash can.
Got this nice empty wall over here.
It's an empty wall, and I love empty walls, honestly, in RVs because that means you can put up your paintings and art.
I put like a poster of Hulk Hogan. Hulkmania 87.
Rest in peace.
That was a good one.
Toilet here, lots of legroom, plenty of legroom, and then your toilet paper holder is right there for your convenience.
It's like easy access. You just like reach over.
It's so close.
Yeah, I do love easy access.
Now we're gonna go into the living room. The living space, we have a couple of recliners here. Look at that. This storage goes on. It's pretty deep. You have to check that out. It's pretty cool.
Goodness. Yeah, you could put at least like what, 10 cell phones in there if you wanted to.
Yeah,
Probably
or maybe
more.
you could store some snacks in there.
I would just have that thing full of Skittles. Just not even in bags, just in there. I wouldn't go anywhere warm.
Not in bag. That's not sanitary.
I would put a bag in there, and then I'd put the Skittles. So now we get the best of both worlds.
That's what the Skittles come in a bag.
Giant bag.
Oh, let me show you how it reclines.
Do that, yeah.
You got me with your darn Skittles. I'll be here.
It's not bad.
It's actually really nice. And that way you can put a TV on this wall, which I'm going to show you in a second, and chill out. Cup holders here. U-shaped dinette. This is where your family can sit and have a meal together. This is great. It's large. It's for everybody. Everybody can fit on here, and you know, it's good.
Are all 30 of your kids? This thing is huge. It's
30.
Yeah, you can put. There's a lot of space.
No.
There's a lot of beds here, guys. You can see here.
This actually turns into a bed too.
Yeah.
But we have windows on either side, and then these lights.
I do like those windows. Look how much natural light you get in here.
Oh yeah, natural light is for the win. USB-C, USB port. It's like an infomercial, but wait, there's more. I'm gonna take this apart, and I'm gonna show you guys how easy this is.
I'm ready for this.
Now, like I said, you could turn this into a bed, or you can also put storage and keep.
That.
Oh,
Look at that.
yeah, that's great. That's perfect for your canned goods, dry goods, maybe some extra stock items, maybe some paper towels that you want to hold there.
That's where I keep my onions and potatoes.
You can put your onions and potatoes if you're Mark. Okay. And there you go. Easy peasy. Oh, other way.
There we go. I mean, if you want a two-tone, you can go that way. And that's both sides, by the way.
This one as well, yeah. This one also has that access. That way you can put even more stuff, right? Even an Instapot can go in there. All your appliances that you're not really using every single day, that's a great way to put it. Or that's a great place to put it, I should say.
What if I use my Instapot every day?
Well, you can have it right over here. Maybe your trash can will be good. Wait, I got a better place. Nope. Nope. Hold on. Give me a second.
There it is. I found it.
Pantry.
Oh,
now,
nice.
who doesn't love a good sized pantry? Chips in there, popcorn. Fridge is not going to be a residential size fridge, but look how much space there is.
It's not bad. You guys are talking about a travel trailer here. This isn't a fifth wheel, so you're getting a lot of bang for your buck here.
Microwave, 3-burner stove top, and look at this. You can even make a pizza.
Which is going to be important because in some units, you just get nothing but a microwave. You want the oven too, because if you're going to have a family here, you're going to want to utilize everything.
Your fuse box. And another window here for that natural light. Look how it lights up the countertop. It just gives it that brightness. Because there are light and airy colors in here, cups and plates can go up there. And maybe even a cute plant right in this corner to make it just a little bit more homey.
What's your favorite plant?
I like cactuses, cacti, they call it.
I'd get a Venus flytrap.
You can do that too. That would be actually perfect if a fly comes in and straight into the Venus trap, bam.
Like 10 of them.
Matte black hardware and handles everywhere. Again, this is where your trash can go. Look at that. They've made a little tin. I guess it's a plastic bin for your sponges.
Not tin, plastic.
Plastic, sorry, I missed.
Different on the element table.
Junk drawer, look at that, and another drawer. That covers the kitchen, and plus we have a USB-C, USB port, and outlets.
That's where I'd keep my coffee machine, and maybe espresso machine probably. I'd keep both.
Yeah, I mean you could. Wait, why?
Well, one is for decaf, one's for caffeine.
Weird.
Don't worry about it.
On this wall, you might ask, oh, where do I put the TV? Well, I'm glad you asked. It goes on this wall. This wall is reinforced, so it's good to put your bracket here, your TV holder, right? And that way you can screw into the wall and not worry about like damaging things. Mantle, open cubbies, open shelving, volume control for your speakers.
Probably put all your games.
Heck yeah.
Uno, maybe Monopoly.
No, well,
You could put it vertically.
yeah, vertically.
But I'm a vertical Monopoly player.
Books can go in there as well. And decorative things to make it more homey. Let's go over to the back. Cannot wait to show you guys this room. This is great. Sorry, I got a little too excited.
Oh, there's an outlet right here, guys. She almost missed it. Look at that.
You can put a table here if you wanted to, like a movable table, and that way you can.
I'd hang a vacuum. It'd be a great place to hang a vacuum. Look where the slide goes. Probably like a shark or something.
You can.
Right up against that wall.
You could try, yes. You can definitely try, but be careful with these walls. You don't want to damage the walls.
Okay, don't hang a vacuum. Tape a vacuum.
tape a vacuum.
Just duct tape it to the wall. All right,
There's another bedroom here. Now this is gonna be bed number 1. They even have a ladder here for your kid to go up here. If they are smaller.
Can you go up?
I can probably just use this step and go up on this bed.
Look at that.
It's not bad.
It held her, so it'll hold your kids. You guys are good.
Didn't break. Window on this side, curtains for privacy. We also have this closet space here for your kiddos.
That's a big closet space. You could possibly add a couple of shelves in there if you need extra storage.
They left this up to your imagination. You can put a rod in here if you wanted to, because I don't feel one, but you can definitely put in some bins in here to get creative with the space.
Some rods, some shelves.
Maybe some hooks. They want to, like, just instead of hanging things, they just hook it onto the hook. Open cubbies here, put their
homeschooling gear, if you homeschool.
You can. Now, you're like, what is going on this wall? What the heck?
Is that a door for hobbits?
Is an exit door. It's an emergency door, probably for, if you need to exit, or if you have a teenager that wants to be like, hey, I'm gonna peace out. I'm not gonna bother you guys. And if you don't want that light to come in, definitely block that off with these night shades. And you can also open it.
Ooh. Safety first, yo.
Now this also goes down for additional bed space. And you'll see how easy this is. All you have to do is unlock these latches, and we have outlets as well if you need to use those. And then we also have this.
Another bed? Jeez. I don't know about you guys, but I counted 5 beds here.
5, yes.
5
1,
beds.
2, 3, 4, 5.
That's a lot of beds.
A lot of people sleep in here. These are gonna be nice and comfy. There are USB-C ports on either side of these walls. TV can go up here. There are connections above. And this ladder, if you don't want to use it, you can definitely stow it away, just like so. And that way, you have more walking space.
You also have an AC above there, guys.
AC to keep them nice and cool. You have 3 ACs.
3 ACs, guys. That is bonkers.
And this sliding door for privacy.
Oh, good. Keep them in there.
We're gonna talk about one last thing before we head outside. Come over to this side. Now, sometimes you wanna have things easy access, like a little mini toolbox, maybe some screwdrivers. Headlamps.
Can never have
umbrellas. Yeah, umbrellas, ponchos, they can go in here.
Mosquito spray.
Or even shoes. Yeah, we typically, so we're full-time as well, and we typically use all those, we have those things, easy access, right by the door. That way, when you're going outside, you just quickly spray outside and then you're out.
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna check out this outdoor kitchen here. This is a huge fridge.
That is a very large fridge.
Usually they're much, much smaller.
You guys are getting a big fridge out of this thing. Wow.
It's a fridge and a freezer. That's a huge plus.
Yeah, you were wondering where the space went. They put it out here for you.
What? This is crazy. Usually they're so tiny. This is fantastic. You can make basically a meal out here. Nice large drawers.
Man, that's very big.
Put your cooking supplies, cooking utensils, plates, cups can go right in here. This is super convenient. And all of this generous counter space. TV can go up here. Guys, if you wanted to watch TV with your boys.
That's 4 TVs in here now.
Yeah.
That's a lot of TVs you could put in.
Or you could have a mom's night and watch some reality TV shows. Right here, get over into the fridge, get a cold one, sit back and relax.
You do have outlets there.
Outlets.
Connect the blender, maybe something.
Margarita mix can go well in here as well.
I drink only Cosmopolitans.
Oh, and don't want to forget this. Cool LED light here for that light. You're not going to see it here in the daylight too much, but at night, it's going to be super cool.
got storage above that TV, so additional storage if you wanted to.
Window, and then
there's that door. Oh, wait, that's not the door. I'm sorry, that's the storage.
this is storage,
I
yes.
almost got confused for a second, guys.
We have a storage here.
Very nifty. It is ready for a backup camera if you want it.
Outdoor shower if you want to do that.
It's my favorite thing to do.
If you're like super muddy or... Here we go. Here's the door that goes into the kids' room. This is the slide.
I mean, it's a pretty big RV, guys.
Large windows. Another couple windows here. We are back here. Check out this storage. You can put some really long things in there, like fishing poles, maybe gazebo, camping chairs, a grill.
And we're at the front. You do get an electrical lift, so that's kind of nice. You don't have to be sitting there. I don't got time to crank anything.
Right. And then we're back at the Jayco logo. Same thing on this side. We have our storage that goes all throughout. Of course, double axle awning with an LED light. It is wired for solar, so that means you can put solar up here and live off grid a little bit. Tankless water here, so you're saving that space. And then our tires are here. Of course, you have a spare in the back.
It's got everything, guys.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. It's a good travel trailer for a family that wants to travel around and maybe even full-time. But the coolest part of all is that if you buy this through Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.